How do I clean a condensing stainless steel heat exchanger on a boiler? Well, let me show you. First, when it looks like this and it's this green, I've already begun to clean it. I soak it with citrus surf. After I've already vacuumed out any remaining residue or debris, I always remove the back target wall if possible. I soak it with a pressure washer. I soak it with citrus surf. I let it sit, and then I scrub it with a Brillo pad. And I repeat that process over and over until you got to put some elbow grease into the ribs here with the Brillo pad. After I get done with the Brillo pad, then I'll use a spatula to stab it and to break loose anything in between these ribs, these sections. So that basically brings that right back. Like I said, I'll get the spatula in between those, but that brings that back to a very clean state. Now, where does all that gunk go? That's the other question. Let me show you. This is my method. Everybody else has their own. I used to take these traps out and I used to clean them. I only do if sediment actually builds up inside of them. I don't touch the traps anymore. I flush so much fresh water down through this thing that I actually have the condensate into my vacuum. I'll show you. I'll spot myself here. So basically, and then I will suck. Typically, I have this connected the same time while I'm cleaning, and I'm flooding the heat exchanger up above, so the water is continually getting sucked down, and then I verify that that trap is truly clean and free of debris. And then I take that spatula, and then that's when you get into all the grooves and all these sections. And like I said about stabbing it, you're literally poking it until you can clean in between each and every one of those, and you don't hear any more crud. And then continuing to use your pressure washer and vacuum to flush and rinse, flush and rinse. But you want to get in between all of these sections and get as much gunk out as you can. You literally got to work it in there because there's just so much crap inside of that heat exchanger. It's a wonder if you'll ever even get all of it out. But that's where that pressure washer comes in handy. Once you break it loose, you can put that high pressure stream right in here and just force that stuff out of there. And then keep trying with the spatula. After you've already done the pre-cleaning with the Brillo pad, the Brilliant pad. And then make sure that trap is clean and clear. Flush it out. Make sure the trap has fresh water in it when you're done. I hope this helps anybody out there. I use the spatula. I use the vacuum cleaner, the pressure washer, and the citrus surf.